How to turn on Xiaomi without power button. So if you want to turn on your Xiaomi without the power button, then here are some steps. The first thing is plug in your charger. If you want to restart your phone and your battery has died, simply connect your charger to turn your phone on. But if it's not the case, then the second thing you need to do is you need to use any third-party application. For example, you can just simply download the power menu or the shutdown menu from the Play Store. Give the accessibility permission on start up. After that, simply tap on the open power menu. Your power menu will open instantly. You can either shut down or restart your device. Or the third method is just press and hold on to the volume up button, then connect the mobile charger cable. And once you connect that, you need to wait for at least 3 minutes. And after that, it will automatically again select the reboot to system, and you need to wait for again 3 minutes in the same way, and you'll be able to restart your device, or you'll be able to turn on your Xiaomi without the power button. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.